Using Shopify outside the US is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up your Shopify account on your mobile. Once you get into your Shopify account, tap on Settings from the bottom dashboard. Find out the country or region option from here. If you are unable to find it here, then open up the new tab and search about your problem here. So, once you get into its solution, simply follow it. To use Shopify outside the US, you need to have these documents, such as government-issued photo ID like driver's license, passport, etc. An SSN will be required as well. Business registration document, which is registered in the US with the government. Proof that the business is operating from the US. This can include tracking, showing you are shipping from the US, or proof of a physical US address. A USD checking account opened with a real US banking institution located on US soil. Virtual banks and currency services will not work for this. It has to be a real US bank. If you have these described documents, then you will get help by the Shopify community.